Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you our RHS part number RHS-W243.2-1. So this one is our complete Rapid Holding Systems own wire EDM work holding kit that includes a 90-degree adapter, which is same as system 3R's 3R-241J, and a height adapter that is exactly same as system 3R's 3R-204, and manual macro chuck which works same as 3R-202.27-1, and it delivers with the drawbar and 5mm hex key. We have made a cost-effective kit for all the elements all together in the kit, and these individual elements are available to buy as a separate individual tool as well. So this 90-degree adapter is a basic element that fits all 3R reference elements, and the material of this 90-degree adapter is stainless steel. The height adapter is another basic element for all 3R reference elements or dovetails, and adapts manual macro chuck directly, as well as it adapts the 90-degree adapter chuck on top of it and the manual chuck on this 90-degree adapter. So RHS manual macro chuck, it works the same as 3R-602.27-1, operates manually with the lever. So this one is a very compact size manual chuck, and it's precisely designed to aid your smallest of the projects. All the tooling is stainless steel, and this listing is available on our website. Search the part number RHS-W243.1-2-1 on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. And if you have any questions, reach out to us today. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.